She comes, here she comes, here she comes. Da 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 da. Very exciting. Okay. Sheepy, go chase those girls. Go chase those girls. Yes, and there she goes. And here she comes.
Wait, Mom, get a shot of the clean, unbraced teeth.
Got it, got it.
The light came on.
Did it? I have it on auto, so that's good. Alright. I'm filming the front of the house. This is the front of the house. This is Austin's room here on the end, Casey's room in the middle, and then we have the front door, the living room, and the office on this side. And this great big yard. Huge yard. Huge yard.
Alright, I can't get up the hill anymore. I gotta turn.
Okay. Alright, here's the front of the house. That didn't work. Front of the house, and again, Casey's room, Austin's bedroom, some plants here, and this is the living room, which we don't use yet, and the office. We're on the side of the house. Very exciting. The girls do not go out in the road, nor does the dog.
I cannot go up that hill.
It's rough. Come on up the hill, Kay.
Crap, I can't go up that hill.
Alright, going around the side, girls. Going around the side of the house. Out here on the side of the house is another person's house, and in the road, it's a great big yard. We don't do anything out here. Side door here where we have our recyclables. Here's the other side of the office, and some plants, and our recyclables, and Shiva's doghouse, and back here we have our new garden plots. Let's see if they do anything. And again, we have the garden plot that I planted today, and this is the spinach and something like pak choy. It's like Chinese vegetables and some white onions. And haven't done anything here yet. We have all these fruit trees here also out on the side bank here, and there's this little service road that goes down to our landlord's house. And then here's this plot that I planted yesterday with the mesclun and the bib and the romaine. And these are the other ones that I planted a couple weeks ago. And Shiva's doghouse, and our little porch where we sit. It's really a very lovely yard. Hey girls, let me see ya. Here you are. And this is our landlord's house back in here. And he does all this mowing. We don't mow at all. You haven't seen Bill's car. This is his Forester, which he loves. And Christian's friend Laura's car. And then my little Subaru, which I love, and Christian's Jeep. And some plants over there. And then on this side of the house, that's our bedroom and bathroom, and the garage door and the entrance to Christian's room, and then there's the main bathroom and the lights on in the living room. And here's the kitchen end of the house. So that's where we live. Where's Shiva?
Mom, want me to take you?
No.
Why?
No, I'm having fun. And there's Casey. Let me see that. Teeth. No braces. Beautiful smile. Excellent.
No.
Excellent. Very nice.
All right, Mom.
Alright.
Let me do something.
Oh, the show.
Just kidding. All right, Austin, where are you? I can't see. Yay, this is our downstairs. El baño. Ping pong table that's now not being used as a ping pong table. Fridge. And then here comes Christian's artificial wall. And then another artificial wall. And an artificial door. Here's Christian's room. Can't see anything. Where's the light? Guitars. This wall is stolen sign. And there's the stairs behind the wall. Entertainment center. Excellent. Just some junk. Stairs. The laundry room. Beautiful kitchen. Beautiful mother. Mom, I'm showing the kitchen. And the living room. I mean the den. Austin, I'm giving stuff on me. Beautiful.
Go play. Go play.
Gosh,
Go play. Go play. Play. Go play. Play.
too interested. Gosh,
She. Come on. Come on. She wants,
over here.
she wants to be on camera. Go play. Go play. Play. Come on. Go play.
Oh,
Play.
she wants to play with you. Gosh, come on. No, come here,
There you go. Wants to play with me. Christian Collar.
Come here. Shiva.
No.
Man.
No.
Shiva. This
I don't have to go. I've got the willpower of food.
The power of chicken. The smell of chicken.
Shiva.
Go play place, Shibi.
Shiva. Shiva. Come here. Christian, you cheater.
Did you have a good nap, Christian?
Yeah, Mom.
You're hiding. This is for Jane Jane and Pop Pops. Let them see you.
Yeah, I had a great night
Yeah.
after studying.
After what?
Studying.
Studying what?
I gotta study about how to make a guitar before I make one.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, don't do that.
Where are you? There you
Mom, they're gonna have to take their motion sickness pills again.
are. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. There you
There's a little stabilizer thing on there. Do you have that on?
are. I don't know.
Just want to play. Shiva. Shiva.
What does that do?
What are you looking for? There's no more food.
I think it stabilizes it so you don't, when you shake it, it's not that bad.
Oh, okay.
Shiva.
Where's Austin?
She's watching TV.
Alright, I'm gonna pause this. Here we have the kitchen. Wow. water, kitchen, officina, Bill's computer, Susan's computer, Christian sitting down at the computer. Don't eat at the computer.
I'm not eating. I'm just burning a CD.
Alright, and here we have the living room, which it's not really a living room because nobody lives in it, but it's got all our office stuff here.
Ta-da.
So, nothing here. Outside. Pause while we go.
I was walking down the street and I was thinking.
There's a 5-year warranty.
What were you thinking?
I
No.
was thinking it's kind of hard to speak.
Pretty interesting.
So I think I just want.
Two grand